Go, buddy, go.
1, 2, 3, faster.
Woo! Do another one, bud.
1, 2, 3, faster.
Yeah.
I got it.
That's all right.
Like this.
Put another one on.
Have number 3.
Here you go, buddy. I'll fly one to you. Here comes a rocket. Vroom, from outer space. Put him on.
Here's one.
Oh, that's a good one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To the moon. Oh, okay. Gather them up. It's time for your space exploration. Are you getting him on?
Like the museum
The-
pretending like the museum donkey.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, faster.
Woohoo! That was a good boof.
Kaboom!
Kaboom!
I was yay! Having fun with it.
That's right. Oma will say that. Yay, Cal's having fun with it. She
You say
will.
Oma.
You want me to be Oma? What should I say? What should I say, Cal?
Wham!
Wham! Is that what Oma would say? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know if it'll come off if you push it down, but you can certainly try it. Yeah, it's a little bit too far on. Pull it back up a wee bit. A bit stiff. You got it? Come on, rocket. There you go. Oh. That should do it. Yeah, I reckon that'd be perfect, buddy.
1, 2, 3, faster.
Woo! That was a great one.
You make other things. Uh-oh, I broke it.
Is that what Oma would say? Uh-oh, I broke it. I can fix that easy as pie. Ready? I'll fix it. Hey, listen. Before I fix it, can you do something for me? Can you look at the movie and say thank you to Oma for this great toy?
Thank you, Oma.
Oh, you blew her a little kiss? Thank you, buddy.
But where's Oma gone?
Where's she gone? Where do you think Oma's gone, love?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Where did we take her to? We took her to the
Airport.
airport. And
Now
where?
where did it go?
I can fix it together for you, buddy. Don't worry. I'm going to switch off the movie now. Say goodbye to Oma.
Goodbye.
Look at the movie for me.
Goodbye.
Good.